Hello and good day. As we continue with our communication series, let's talk about talking to people and try to communicate with people in other cultures. So everybody understand hi and smile. That's the first thing. Like everybody in all cultures understand hi. That's an icebreaker. If you feel they're staring at you or you feel you've been staring at them too long, just break the ice and just say hi and smile. When you are communicating with someone, especially of a different language, make sure you're talking slow. Don't get offended when they say certain things because in their culture it might just be appropriate. Also, if you're traveling somewhere, just take the time to kind of Google and see the different languages and see the different appropriate forms of communicating. Sometimes handshaking, a kiss on the cheek, depending on where you are, is appropriate. Sometimes it's not appropriate. You can always get the pump fist or the hey, or again, just wave to say hi. Avoid using slang. You never know what it means in a different country when you say different things. Or even not even just country, but just between the different cultures that we have here in the United States. You can be here and not in a different country. So again, just try to not use slang. Try to be direct with what you're asking. If you're hungry, eat, restaurant, little short phrases. And don't be too complicated in the phrases that you use. Don't use big words. And it's not as if you're talking down on a person, but you want to speak as if you're talking to a younger person. Don't raise your voice. Be soft when you're talking, so that way a person isn't taking you the wrong way. Now, on the reverse side, if they're talking to you, again, listen attentively and just ask them to slow down if they're talking too fast. If you don't understand something, now everybody has their phone, ask them to look it up on their phone so that you can understand exactly what they're saying or asking you. Other ways to communicate with people of different cultures. Again, we discussed this before, your body language. Watch your body language so it's not taken offensively and people don't feel you're being aggressive. And those are just a few things that you should do when you're communicating with people of different cultures. Thank you.